Welcome to Cook and Vibe, people. My name is M.R. This is Cook and Vibe. We're outside. Some different type of food today again. There's a couple of reasons today. All right. So today's episode is dedicated to Trinidad food. All right. Big up all my Trinidad people on the channel. You know what I'm saying? So my missus, my woman's mum is half Trinidad, half Jamaican. So I'm gonna cook a chicken curry, but I found a Trinidad takeaway in Dalston. So I'm gonna I'm gonna get in the good books tonight, people. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, gonna get some doubles and a couple things to go with the curry. You know what I'm saying? That is it. We're outside. We are here in Trini vibes, all right? So I'm gonna get what I need for the rest of the stuff. So really good people, really helpful. So I've got some rotis, I've got some chana, I've got some doubles, and all the little sides and stuff I will show you when I get back there. All the drinks inside here as well, people. Solos and everything, Apple J. Yeah. I'm really excited about this. This place has had really good reviews online. Obviously, we're going to be honest ourselves. Thank you. Again, really good people, really nice people. They helped me out a lot as well. So when we get back to the house, I'm going to unravel it all and show you what I've done. And we're going to test it and try it and hopefully impress the mother-in-law. Big up Trini vibes. A whole heap of food here. Everything. We've got doubles, we've got roti skins, we've got chana, we've got everything. We're gonna be in the good books today. Proper Trinidad cooking today. Well, I'm gonna cook the curry anyway. So next I need to get some chicken. Yeah, I need to get some chicken. I need to get some Scotch bonnet, onions, garlic, chicken. I've got shad on Benny already. But yeah, really nice people in there. They gave me I don't like to say things in front of people, but they gave me a free portion of pylori. They even gave me, I told them the whole thing that I was doing, and they gave me some Scotch bonnets to cook with as well. I was like, I need Scotch bonnet, and they said, yeah man, we got you. So good vibes. Where's my drink? Yeah, start off with a solo, you know what I'm saying? That is it. Hopefully it don't take me long to drive from here. Let's taste this on the camera. Hold on one sec. Yeah. Oh, it's really good. Cola champagne. Solo. Original Trinidad drink. All right. My belly just made a noise then. Good vibes, people. Let's get to Morrison's or something like that and get some chicken. I've got Scotch bonnet, so let's go. I'm in the kitchen. Yeah. Curry chicken. We're cooking up, you see me? Start off with some all-purpose. Couple different all-purposes in there, and then we've got this curry powder, you know what I'm saying? So we're gonna get that in there, give that a mix round, chop up an onion and get some curry powder in the oil and some onion in there first. I've got my onions and my garlic in there sauteing, people. It's gone nice and soft. So now I'm going to chuck in the seasoned chicken. Let's get that chicken inside there, people. Fully active. Oh, that is it. Proper. This is shad on Benny. This is a very traditional thing that you'd have in a Trinidad curry. This makes a whole difference to the whole curry, changes the whole game. If you can't get this, you can use coriander or go into an Asian store, saw leaf is called the same thing. Shadon Benny is exactly the same thing. You know what I'm saying? And we're also going to chop up one scallion and get that in there. Active, frying off the chicken. That is it. So, I definitely got in the good books for the doubles, people. Definitely got in the good books for the doubles. She's like, what, you got me doubles? I was like, yeah. And I'm cooking the curry. Yes. Trust me. Good vibes. Didn't mean to... I didn't film the Pylori, but the Pylori, I think it's called Pylori, from there was like 10 out of 10 as well. Really, really fresh and nice. Nicest I've ever had it. The curry chicken went down well. Yes, the curry chicken went down well, people. Even like a couple of other family members ate as well. You know what I'm saying? So, yes, we done well. We done well with the Trinidad curry. And I also forgot to say when we were seasoning the chicken to put the green seasoning in. That's a very important side of it as well. Done all the green seasoning. Check it out online. But yeah, all in all, it done well. It got a little bit, it was more like we was just chilling out and kind of, you know, the vibes was the kind of thing that I just didn't really want to pull out the camera again. Because bonding, do you know what I'm saying? So we drank a couple of rums, ate some food, and it was a really nice evening. And I didn't film any of the food. Kind of got busy doing other stuff. So what I ended up doing was going back to the shop for years, grabbing some doubles and some curry chicken with roti that I bought so I could show you lot, because I missed it from the last time, if that makes sense. Yeah, if you ain't subscribed already, please do the right thing. Press the like button and hype up the video. So here, people, we have got a double. Look at that. All the different bits and bob inside. Good vibes. Proper double. Yeah, man. Got some pepper sauce there. Got a cucumber chutney as well. I think it's just cucumber with Shadon Benny. There's a pepper sauce with some roasted peppers. Yeah, it's good. All right. Yeah. Yeah. That's good. Yeah, pepper. Proper. Yeah, man. Try this cucumber chutney. It's just cucumber with shadow man. There's a little bit of pepper in there as well. We got curry chicken and roti. Let me open up the roti. There we go. Oh, it's still not there. There we go. There's the curry chicken. Good vibes. Let's taste it. Curry chicken and roti. All right. That's a proper curry, man. That's a proper curry. You can taste the Shadon Benny, lovely. That's really good. And the roti is really good as well. Yeah. A little potato and stuff there. Nice. Hope you enjoyed the episode. Big up all my Trinidad people out there. Enough love and respect. You hear that? Make sure you go check out the shop, Trini Vibes. It's a good vibes. Big up, people. I'll see you again very soon. That is it.